To print without color or black and white on a PDF file is very easy, because some PDF file opening applications provide a grayscale feature where this feature can print PDF files without color. However, not all PDF file opening applications provide the grayscale feature. Moreover, it is not uncommon if we have activated grayscale, the printed results still have colored parts. So that's why we set it directly on the printer. The method is very easy. So for black and white printing, we set it directly on the printer so that we don't have to set it to grayscale every time. Okay, coincidentally here I am using a Canon IP2700 printer. To set grayscale, it is usually in the properties on the printer. Usually also in the Acrobat Reader application, there is a setting for grayscale. But here Nitro doesn't have grayscale, so we can set it in the properties. Friends, enter or select maintenance on the Canon IP2700 series properties. Well, after that, friends, select this ink cartridge settings, then friends, select black only, and click OK to save the settings and click OK again. Well, with this method, I guarantee that every time we print it will be black and white, right friends? So, how is it, friends? It's easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.